As in his previous trips overseas, the president had precious time to be with Filipino expats. An estimated 220 Filipinos are living in Japan, many of whom are permanent residents married to Japanese nationals. In his meeting with members of the Filipino community, the president said the Philippine government's reform initiatives and inclusive growth bid has resulted to the drop in the number of Filipinos who prefer to work overseas. More on that meeting from Elena Luna.
President Aquino encouraged members of the Filipino community in Japan to continue the reforms he initiated even after his term of office. He reminded Filipinos that they hold the power for the Philippines to move forward or take a U-turn.
Kung may darating napapalit sa atin, para apihin lang tayo, para nag-U-turn nga lang po tayo sa dati. At palagay ko po, sino kaya sa atin ang papayag na magkaroon ng ganong sitwasyon? Hindi ko lang po, yung kinabukasan dadatnan natin, kayo pa rin o tayo pa rin. At tayo pa rin gagawa, tayo ang magpapanatili gaya ng paggawa ninyo sa pagbabagong tinatamasa natin ngayon.
During the 2010 elections, the president was #1 in the absentee voting of COMELEC. He is visiting Japan for the 6th time, but he said it may be his last visit as president.
Mga boss, hayaan po ninyong idin ko. Hindi tadhana ng Pilipino ang habang buhay na paghihirap. Hindi nakakabit sa pangalan natin ang walang humpay ng pagdurusa. Nasa ang pagtindig para sa tama, nasa lahi natin ang paglaban para sa katarungan. Tangan na po natin ang pagkakatong ituloy ang positibong transformasyon ng bansa. Huwag tayong bibitiw. Ipamana natin sa susunod na mga henerasyon ng Pilipino ang maunlad na Pilipinas na matagal na nating pinapangarap.
The Philcom event was a gathering to celebrate the 117th anniversary of Philippine independence. During the program, President Aquino was given a copy of the Disaster Preparedness Handbook. The chief also given the chance to be with Filipino nurses and caregivers under the JPEPA program and the cadets of the Philippine Military Academy who are in Japan for an exchange program. He also had the chance to be with Filipino-Japanese celebrities like champion wrestler Takayasu Akira. There are more than 222,000 Filipinos in Japan, making them the 3rd largest population of foreign nationals in this country. For the People's Television, Elena Luna, Japan.